everybody! I'm still here in Vegas for my second day, and as soon as we got out of the hotel, we saw all these amazing supercars waiting for us. And I actually don't know the plan of the day. I mean, I have no idea what we're going to do, but I guess we're gonna jump on these cars and drive them all through the city. Oh my god, so we have Ferrari F12, Porsche Targa, Lambo, Corvette, Ferrari 488, Honda NSX, Lambo, and this Ford, I think, Mustang. A very old one. That's insane. So now, as I mentioned before, I still don't know what's the schedule of the day, so you're gonna find out with me during this video. And I'm gonna have a friend in this journey that I'm gonna play with. Hello, friend.
Hello.
Introduce yourself.
I'm David from South Africa. I'm driving with him today, unfortunately.
Okay, but how big is the trunk of Ferrari? I never thought it was that big. Yeah? I can fit inside.
It's cool, it's probably like a little...
I wanna push it. We're going too slow. What is that? That's huge. Look at that. We don't even see the driver from here. 24-inch tire. Oh my god. That's as big as my TV. Oh my god. Stop.
That is 3,000 RPM.
3,000.
3,500 RPM.
No, I don't believe you.
I swear, look.
Oh my god. Okay, after a nice drive on the Ferrari 458, 488, we jump on this amazing Ford Mustang year 64, 66. Okay, let's say 65. Do you know how to drive it?
Yeah! It's like old school muscle car.
Oh my god, no. Look at the seat belts.
Are you hearing me?
It's like an airplane.
Yeah. Are you at 100% acceleration?
3/4.
That's not the accelerator, that's the volume switch.
Open valves.
Yeah, the more you push it, the louder it gets, but the speed remains the same. Muy bien! After the old Ford Mustang, which I would define, can we call the Mustang undrivable? Pretty much. Joking, obviously. Now we're gonna go back to a new car, the Honda NSX, or as they call here in America, the Acura NSX, which is a car that I saw in Goodwood Festival and I got curious about it. And you know, it's one of those cars that I always wanted to drive, and today I have the chance to drive. Ha! Nice. Go from normal to sports plus, it's two different cars.
Yeah.
Totally. Okay, final car we're going to drive, the Lamborghini Huracan. These Danish supercars, too small, aren't they?
That's about the same size as a Gallardo.
It's made for Italians.
Made for Italian, what do you mean?
Are you from Italy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I didn't say anything then.
We're not,
I mean, I'm from France, we're not too tall either.
okay.
Huracan.
How do you say?
Guini.
Lamborghini. No, Lamborghini. Lamborghini. Is that the sport button?
Strada Sport Corsa.
Corsa is good.
No, Sport.
Corsa, trust me. Corsa means race.
Corsa. Lamborghini.
Bravo. Very good, man. Hey guys, where are the other Avengers?
They're at home.
Really? They not work today?
Thor's getting drunk.
Oh my god.
Man's a little small. Black Widow's off in Russia somewhere. She's trying to interfere with their politics right now.
So after the Las Vegas tour, I just realized that we really are in America, because I forgot that we are close to the Area 51 and there are two F-35 flying on the circuit. You know, it feels like in movies. So now we just finished doing some tires testing. We made a comparison between Michelin Pilot Sport 4S and Pirelli P0, and we compared them in braking. And as a result, we saw that the Michelin performed better than the P0 in terms of braking length and also handling and feeling. So it was nice to compare those two tires on the same car. And now we came here for the best part of the day for me. Really, I have never ever seen anything like that. There are like 30 supercars available to us to drive, and we can choose 3 of them and push them to the limit in the racetrack down there. At 1.2 miles racetrack, I think 7 corners, and we're gonna make 7 laps per each car. And you know, I'm talking about some real supercars. We have Nissan GT-R, Audi R8, Acura NSX, Ferrari 488, Lamborghini Aventador, Lamborghini Performante, Lamborghini Corvette Z06, Porsche GT3 RS. This is totally insane. Really, I have never seen anything like that in my whole life. And the cool thing is that this building is open to everybody who wants to come here and drive them for 2, 3, 5, 10, 20, 30 laps, whatever you want. It's amazing. The first car I'm gonna drive is this Mercedes AMG GT-R, which they told me is a true beast. I have never driven anything like that before, and I'm really curious to find out how it behaves. This car is equipped with Pilot Sport Cup 2, which are the best for track days. They are 90% track and 10% road tires. So what we're going to expect with these tires is a very long-lasting performance. Oh my god, that was amazing. I was really impressed by that Mercedes. You know, I've never driven it before, and I didn't think it was so easy to handle, so good, you know. And I was impressed also by the Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, which I already tried in Modena with the Ford. And you know, what impressed me about those tires is that they kept the same level of grip during the whole 7 laps. And you know that usually when you go on track with street cars, with street tires, what happens is that after a few laps, the temperatures and pressures go up and you start to lose a little bit of grip. And instead, with these Cup 2 tires, the grip remained the same during the whole 7 laps. And this is very important for track experience. One thing that I didn't really like about the car was the controls. I would have loved to take off all the controls, but you know, we're here for having fun, not to crush the cars. So in a couple of corners, the ESP and the traction control were cutting a lot. So it could have been faster, but it was amazing anyway. Okay, so next session is gonna be on the GT3 RS, always equipped with the Pilot Sport Cup 2, and I'm really curious to find out how this car works because it's one of the cars that I always would have loved to drive.
Set my heart afire.
Accelerate out, use that track. All the way over left. Braking smooth, harder. Turn in, release, get that apex. Little throttle, a little more. Upshift. Good. Just a little more on entry here.
Okay.
Braking smooth, downshift. Turning in, release, nice and smooth. Little throttle, a little more, and accelerating out. In, release, stay right, accelerate, right over the hill. Light brake, turning in, release, give a little throttle, a little more, accelerating, back over. Braking smooth. Turn in, release, get that apex, and accelerate out, all the way out, more power, more.
Flat.
Oh, sorry. Turn in.
You know what? I lied to you because I said, okay, I'm going to drive 3 cars. But as soon as I got off the GT3 RS, I said, no way, I want to drive it again. In my 3rd session, I did it once again on the GT3 RS. It was insane. So, the sound is so awesome. The handling is so cool. This is a freaking fast car. Man, I loved it. Really, I loved it. Okay guys, once again today, time for podium. Considering that yesterday I was slow like hell and I dishonored the Italian flag, I hope that I went better today. Yeah, really, I have a reputation.
Which means we have only one winner. Any guesses? With an amazing time of 51.386, it's Alberto Fontana.
E vai che oggi non abbiamo fatto cagare. Alright, after yesterday's defeat, I almost wanted to close the YouTube channel and give up everything, but you know, today we did better and we honored, even here in USA, the Italian flag. And here you have the Hall of Fame, like in Top Gear, and we have Juan Pablo Montoya, the record, 48.8 with the GT3 RS, oh my god. I was so slow. Barrichello, 48.8. Leclerc, 48.9 with the Ferrari. Jimmy, 49.3, but you know, the GT2 RS is not valid. And then I am 6th. I did 51.3. I beat Mario Andretti, Gordon Ramsay, Michelle Rodriguez. Oh my god, that's crazy. Anyway, somebody told me that Montoya and Barrichello and maybe someone else were driving the Cup 2R. It's easy to go that fast with those tires, huh? That's not fair. Okay guys, I always thought tequila was shit because I always got drunk with tequila in bad clubs, but now I'm tasting the real tequila.
There are good tequilas as well, not only the shit The shit version.
This is amazing.
It's cool, right?
It's incredible. It's like whiskey.
It's soft. If a tequila burns your throat, it's shit tequila. Good tequila.
It doesn't burn.
No?
It just burns your brain, but that's another thing.
No, it's soft. and cold is even better.
I love it. So here ends this fantastic adventure here in Las Vegas. And I just want to say thank you to Michelin for having invited me to live this amazing adventure, because, you know, this is something that I'm gonna bring into my heart forever, for my whole life. Especially because it's one of those experiences that it's hard to be able to try. I mean, it's not something that you can buy and do it. So really, once again, thanks Michelin for having invited me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I was able to communicate, to transfer you even just 1% of the emotion that I felt during these 2 days. Once again, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.